Hello everyone, myself Ravindra Thaplial. I am your mentor and organizer of free Oracle Apex training. And today I'm very excited to announce your first Oracle Apex Challenge 2025. Over here, I want each and every developer around the world should participate in this particular Oracle Apex Challenge because this challenge has three categories, which is beginner, intermediate, and advanced. So you can participate as per your skills, your experience in Oracle Apex, and you can win 1000 rupees cash prize, no Amazon voucher, nothing hidden over here, directly 1000 rupees cash prize in each category we are talking about. So quickly we can see the key dates over here. So competition is started already, and competition is already started. You can see 1st of October. The last day to enroll in this competition will be October 20. Then submission date for your project would be November of 14th, and winner announcement will be on November 2022. So 22 basically. So over here, you will get a very good time to develop your application. So I want each and every developer who is watching right now this video through YouTube or LinkedIn or community, please join this competition. I have given the link of Google form where you can fill that form and you can participate in this competition in the description. So you can quickly go there and join this competition. Over here, I will show you some of the guidelines for this competition. So over here you can see Oracle Apex Challenge 2025 competition overview. It's open for all the learners. It's a free community competitions. There is no basic criteria. Even though you are a beginner, you are intermediate, you are advanced level, you can join this competition. The cash prize is and certification you will get once you join this competition. Even though you win or not, you will get a certified because you have joined this competition. Winner will get 1000 rupees cash prize. Then YouTube recognition, for sure we will recognize you under our uh, Oracle Apex LinkedIn group. Over we will create a leaderboard, we will announce the winner over here. Also we will create a dedicated YouTube video where we will recognize all the winners in each of the category. So you will be recognized by the community of 40 plus learners and 20 plus mentors as well. And then over here you can see what will be. So three simple steps to join this challenge. What you can do is join this competition. Just you have to do is registration. We have a Google form created, and already 20 plus participant has already joined this competition. So you can also join over here. Develop your solution. We have given a basic guideline to create application in each category. So what you can do is you can take that guideline basic application structure we have given already, and you can frame your application within that criteria and make your application more creative and advanced, because your competition is within your category with your competitor. So whoever has a very advanced level application in its category and creative ideas over there will win that prize. Then submit your application basically before the deadline. So what we want from you is just to create your application within your Oracle Apex free environment. And once you create it, give us the link of that particular application front end. We won't see your back end, the coding structure. We only see the front end. We run the application, we see how application is working, the creativeness you have, the functionality you have given, the advanced feature you have given in your category itself. And we will compare it with your other competitor as well under the same category. And whoever has the most creative and functionality in its application, we will give them a price of 1000 rupees directly. And over here you can see for beginner level, it's a basic application, employee insight application, where you need to create a login page. It should be a custom page, it should not be a uh, the wizard one, the native login page. It should be custom where we have a username, password, and you can add something else like a company or something else on that one. Make it more creative, more custom. Then we have dashboard and charts. So you have to create a dashboard. it should look professional. It should have charts, pie chart, that it can have bar charts, it can have 3D view of that particular chart as well. You can enhance your chart basically with filters on that one. It should, the chart should be a filterable one. We can filter the charts on the basis of date, name, category, salary, or whatever you can give over there. Then we should have an interactive report, how you can create your application with interactive report over there. We have different type of reports, so you can use the reports over there. And then we focus on professional UI. The application should look like a market standard, it should not look like a basic one. We knew that it's a beginner level, but we want you to at least try to make your application a professional level as there. So over here you can see this is a basic guidelines. We will also announce officially all the guidelines over here, because we have a dedicated LinkedIn group for all the participant. Over there we are sharing the update related to the competition. So if you join this competition and you enroll in this competition, we will add you in that particular group as well. So you will also uh, get an understanding of how many competitors are fighting for in your category right now. So over here 20 plus of competitors are already there in the group, and if you're enrolling in this competition you will be a part of that group as well. So you can easily check your skills. So then we have intermediate. So intermediate level, basically you have to create a custom login as we are creating in the beginner level as well. So you have to create a custom login. Then the login should have a two ways entry. It should have an admin level entry and an employee level entry. You can take it as a admin level or user level, but it should have a two level of logins. And whenever I am going through a admin, I should see a different dashboard, and when I'm going through a user, I can see a different dashboard. So you have to make sure that we are doing that one. And then role based navigation menu should be a role based. If admin is joining is logging to the application, he should show the admin roles. And also if I am a user, I should not see that admin level access on my navigation menu for sure. Then we have interactive grid, classic reports for sure, forms with data validation. We want some forms to insert a data, to update a data, to delete a data. We want to see that one in your application as well. Chart with filters, we already discussed in the basic application. Likewise, we have to create a charts over here. Then responsive design and improved UI. So we want your application should be a responsive one. So as of now, you are creating an application in your monitor screen. But when I spec that application particularly, it should be dynamic. It should not crash as soon as the screen size is decreased from desktop to a little bit lap, or you can say a iPad level or phone level. I will showcase you what I'm talking about a little bit. Just give me a second. So over here you can see, if I take example of this particular application, so you can see this is our LinkedIn. And over here if I inspect over here and I will go to this section. So I want my application should at least look like a professional one. You can see I have taken it as a phone level and it's responsive. It's not breaking over here. Now I will switch it back to iPad. You can see it's fine. And now I'll take it back to a window level. So it's not breaking anywhere. So we want this from you guys as well. So this is the expectation we have from intermediate level, and whatever we are demanding from basic and intermediate, we also want the same thing from the advanced level as well. So over here you have seen all the criteria for intermediate as well. So now we will move to advanced level. So the application name over here you can see. So for beginner level it will be an employee insight application. Then for intermediate, it will be an expense tracker application. and the last is advanced level, which we call as event management system. We need a user access. Access will be a public. For example, event management system would be like a book my show. Over there, you can see as when I log into application of book my show, it shows me all the events nearby me, and over there I select an event, I select my seat, I select my tickets, and then I check out basically. So though we don't want you from any payment API or location API to use it over there, external API I'm talking about. We want you just to create a user level access. So you can a user basically can select it's triggered its event, and once it's selected, it should goes to a checkout form. Also, the admin have that privilege to create a event, to delete a event, to organize a event, to change the event as well. So here also we have basically two level access. So you can see over here is user access public. We can directly go to the application and select its ticket, and basically when he doing a checkout, at the time we are taking information from the users. Then we have a admin access, create, edit, delete event, view registration, manage event. Also we have to see the sales of particular event as well. So everything we have to see over there. Then we have RESTful APIs to retrieve our data. We want you to at least use two APIs. Either it can be get, it can be put, it can be delete, it can be update, or any API you are using. At least two API internally, RESTful API of Apex to fetch a data. So we can see that you are using APIs over there. Then clear separation between admin and user flow. Application should have a proper flow of admin and user. It should not be like whenever I'm logging to application with admin, I'm seeing user access along with some other issues on a navigation menu or navigation bar or something related to. So you have to think about that one, that how application should look like. So this is a basic criteria we are giving. Then you can think about the application from your perspective as well, and you can create application as per your understanding. Then we have end-to-end functionality, full create, read, update, and delete capabilities. So over here you can see how we are giving awards, basically how we are making sure these are the categories. Basically you can see if you have a design and usability, we are giving you 25 points over there. Then we have innovation and creativity, 35 point for that one, and then it will be a functionality, 40 points for that one. So overall we are giving 100 points over here, and you can see how we are giving it on the basis of design, innovation, and functionality. Also, the winner per category will get 1,000 rupees, which will be equal to 12 USD almost. E-certificate for all the valid submissions, and winner announced by LinkedIn YouTube video on November 7 or 14 as per the date we have given already. And you can join our Oracle Apex tutorial YouTube official YouTube channel for more updates related to that one. And also you can see our services, paid services, where you can see we have given multiple options over here. You can see, let me show you. So over here, talking about how you can join this competition. This is the Oracle Apex Challenge 2025 quick registration. We have a form over here, Oracle Apex registration form. All you need to do is to go to click on that link I have given in the description. You can click over there. Once you click over there, you will see a form like this one. Under this form, you have to fill your name, your LinkedIn username, because we have to add you into a group as well. Then email address, then your country, then choose your participant level, beginner, intermediate, advanced, and then the contact number. It's optional. If you want to, you can give it. We will create a dedicated WhatsApp group over there for more updates, and then a consent basically. So once you fill this form, we get your data, and once we get your data, we will add you into group, and you will be enrolled in the competition. So you can see over here, a registration close will be on October 20. Then development period will be from October 20 to November 14. Then submission deadline is November 14th, and winner announced is on November 22. So please complete this form carefully, and incomplete or duplicate entry may not be considered over here. So you can fill this form and you can participate in this competition. So I will see you in the competition on the next weekend. We are on the date of 20. You can see over here. So deadline will be on the next Monday. We are starting this competition officially, and after that the deadline for enrollment has been completed. So we will stop the enrollment process over here, and I will see you in the competition. And for more updates, we will create more videos. You can join our official LinkedIn group. Over there, we are giving updates. I will show you quickly that group. So this is our group, free Oracle Apex training. So you can see how many members we already have. We have more than 400 plus member over here, and we are giving all the updates related to our competition over here. I have given the name of 20 plus participant over here. You can see we are giving more updates over here. This is a Oracle Apex challenge form over here. You can see we have also shared the PPT over here, which I was showing you earlier. The date for competition was October 13, but we pushed the date one more week so all the competitors can join this competition around the world. So please join this group as well, so you will get all the updates related to competition. And also, if you want to get more knowledge related to Oracle Apex itself, you can go to our official Oracle Apex tutorial YouTube channel. You can see over here. We have all the videos over here. All the free Oracle Apex training sessions videos are also over here. 1 hour. You can see it's all 1 hour. So you can go over here, you get all the insights of Oracle Apex, and you can start your career in Oracle Apex as well. So you can see we have a dedicated playlist from here, step to step, start building your apps, Oracle Apex training over here. So you have all the stuff over here, and I'm very excited to see you in the competition. So thank you so much